Hi, this is the POCO X3 GT and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So we should first launch Google app, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Tap to the Google Assistant section and click to Hey Google and Voice Match. To activate Hey Google option, click once on the switcher and after that here tap to more, I agree, read all of the descriptions, tap to agree, continue, not now, and now we could see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you want an assistant to recognize your voice, you should add your voice model, so tap to retain voice model and repeat after the assistant. Now just say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now just tap here to finish. Not now. And here when you'll say Hey Google or Okay Google, you will see that this option successfully activated. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.